In this video, the TRX4 hits a tree. Oh! The X-maxx hits the floor. And A-test Steve nearly hits a girl.
How about me?
Guys, how you doing? If you want more money, start selling on eBay. And I've made a 100% free eBay course. Check the link below. Get you guys going, starting selling on eBay. So if you want more toys, guys, there's really no excuse. All right, let's get into the video.
These tyres, love it on the sand, man. Let me know when you're ready, Stephen.
Catch!
Woo!
But don't catch. All the build up for no delivery.
Ooh, I can taste the sand.
Oh no, body's off.
Yeah.
Is it disco?
Defender. You're gonna mug it off, are you?
Oh wow, that's just mean. They didn't even slow down.
When in doubt, air it out.
A bit.
Oh, we've not heard a little squeaky voice today. Where is it? Oh, a little vandal.
He's a hooligan!
He's a hooligan. Oh, that's in the dirt. Oh, it's in the dirt. Smell it.
My foot went in the...
Nah. Uh-oh. How about me? Mine's over there.
Definitely doing better than that, hasn't it?
Yeah. I did poke it today. Oh, the old Russian indestructible body, loving it. Oh, I don't know. I think mine's a bit more top heavy than yours though.
You've got bigger wheels as well. You're running 2Ts, aren't you?
That's probably, yeah. Oh.
Nice and slippery.
Maybe it needs a run up. Ah, there we go. I done it. I done it.
When in doubt, brute force and ignorance out, yeah?
Oh. When in doubt, throttle all out. Oh! Nailed him.
There we go.
It wasn't the actual intention.
Steve's joining the crawler challenge, yeah?
I think you need a bit of momentum.
Yep.
There we go.
Oh, I haven't got anything then. What's going on there?
Flat.
Looks like it.
Ah! Ah! Oh! Oh no! Yes, self-rescue. Oh, I was going to say easy, but oh no, I'm going to get attacked now. Oh! Uh-oh. Ah! So this map round here, man. This servo on here has gone weak already, and it's lost all its power. It's got barely no power left. Oh, no, it has. It didn't a minute ago. Rescue me!
Yeah, that depends on steering, but it's not my strength.
Yes! Ready? Oh! I tried. Oh, we got the Savage coming in for a go. Is he going to land in the swamp? No. I nearly did. People always say in my comments, you're not supposed to backflip a crawler. Here you are. Oh no, swamp. Oh, it's got some on it. Oh no. We get it out slowly. Have to get it out of there slowly. Oh, I didn't want to get it muddy today. This is how you get the mud off of your TRX4 tyres. Ah, got me! Oh, it's clean now though.
How'd you play the body shield?
Wipe
it on a friend? I don't like you. Fuck off.
A little bit of poo, a little bit of poo,
Poo poo!
poo poo.
Where's your voice gone?
Oh, that's it.
Oh, the servo's alright, because look, watch, I'll do the steering. It's got loads of power. And it snapped the panhard link rod off of the axle.
I was going to say your axle's going with
Yeah,
that.
if you turn it now, it'll probably move the car.
Oh!
Just stop. I think that's just solved your axle problem altogether.
Oh!
That just stopped dead.
Oh! Oh, it's killed it! Oh no, look! Look! Oh no! Oh, look at it! Oh, it's all... Oh, it's dead! Ah. Oh, that's the end of that then.
How fast did it go with only two-wheel drive? Have it!
Have a blast.
No, because I like
The next week you have one.
I won't bloody have one next week.
Woman driver versus X-maxx. Oh God! What did you do?
Wheels up.
Alright guys, that's it for this video. That was a good day out, and I've got one more episode going to come up, and that one's going to be a crawler montage, and a montage only. I've got a load of crawler footage. I didn't really want to blast it all into this video, so that's all going to be in a nice montage in the next video. Damage wise, it sounded really bad. It really did hit that tree hard, but the only thing that it broke was this little part here. And it does look worse than what it is, but it's literally, there's two or three little screws, and I can get that little bracket replaced on the axle. That's all going to be back to full health again. Also, this servo, I thought it went a bit weak, but what it actually was, it was that this little bracket here was already half snapped. So when I was steering, it was rocking side to side and not really steering the wheels. So I was thinking it was the servo going bad. But the servo is in perfect health. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that servo so far. I can't fault it. All I've heard so far from these servos is good reviews. And they do, by the sounds of it, they do really hold up to that sort of abuse. So we're going to wait and see it and see if that gets my seal of approval. So alright guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, smash that bell button to stay notified. See you soon guys, bye.